Instagram, Facebook?
Yes, for Instagram is house_of_Ebony. Just if you type House of Ebony, you get it. The same thing with Twitter. For Facebook, we have a page, House of Ebony, Craft and Stitches.
Nice.
All right, so time for our cocoa of the day. Because we get
House of Ebony.
person where they do handiwork, entrepreneur in the studio. So we would like to ask you this question. University degree or handiwork, which one they better now in Nigeria? University degree or handiwork, which one they better now in Nigeria? We can ask you first.
Okay.
You get university degree?
Yes.
Okay.
With waiting they happen now, people they look for job. Why you they look for job? You know get skill. Hunger go kill you. So if you still dey school, I dey talk, I know say me you know go school. If you still dey school, while you dey school, go learn one skill. There must be one where you like or where you are passionate about. Go learn am, because there is something you fall back on. Even when you dey work. With the recent thing happening in Nigeria, so many companies retrenching and all that.
Yeah.
If you don't have skill, man, you're in a long thing. So why getting that? You need to be skillful. You need to get something that you need to have different streams of income, like I say.
Yeah.
Some people, when we were still small, we say when we were going to school, if East didn't go, WAS will go.
Just to ask this question, because time no actually run out. How many people they work with their certificate here? Your university degree. Just to say, please, say hi, please. I see 1 out of 3. I'm the only one working with my certificate. Tatiana studied something different, psychology and sociology.
No, make I briefly tell you about the story of my life. Now I actually study sociology, and the first one I do now actually event planning I start with before I end up here.
Now
so
you understand.
need skills.
And thank you so much to Julia. She actually brings Talk Talk Ladies our share to go around on Friday. Yes, Talk Talk, very branded. I see they always they talk. So talk not be bad thing, but make you know what they talk about. Thank you so much.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.